Sheldon, you want to tell the camera what happened?
Freaking some type of big grouper just almost swallowed my whole doggy. As soon as I yanked him up the wall, right to about 21 meters, freaking grouper came out of this dark abyss and just engulfed my whole entire fish. Tail sticking out of the mouth.
Freaking the last grouper ate my doggy.
I just start yanking. Finally, the freaking thing pulls out of his mouth. He's got teeth marks all over his face and everything.